What's up, guys? My name's Isaac Obel, and I like to make some videos. I'm a amateur YouTuber, just getting started, really. I've posted a lot of Facebook videos in the past, but I'm starting my YouTube channel, and hopefully you'll enjoy some of my content. Some important things that I like to talk about are fitness and current events, politics, religion, and so hopefully you'll enjoy my content. Right now, I've been in probably a 13, 14 month slump on my fitness journey. Last summer I was in great shape. Not perfect shape, but very good shape. I was proud of my results of my weightlifting and just good routine. So, but last year I had to go to a second shift position, and so I've been doing that for the past 14 months, and it's been tough. I've lost a lot of progress, and so last week I kind of re-engaged in my fitness journey. So I worked out several times last week. I got 3 workouts in. My goal was 4, but I had some personal family things I needed to take care of. And then my legs were sore as crap over the weekend. So, but that was a win. And then tonight, it's Monday night, got back at it after work. So I'm making good progress. Can't wait to continue updating you on my progress. So this is week 2. This week I will get 4 workouts in and continue to track my weight and my nutrition. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you're just getting started in your fitness journey, you can feel free to uh, post a comment on where you are, and I'd encourage you, whatever level you need or at, whether you need to lose 20 pounds or 100 pounds, just just start somewhere. Find somebody to help you get a plan together, and I've benefited in the past and currently from a lot of great coaching, and hopefully that's encouraging. And I'm gonna stop the video here. My motivation for you is to just get started, whether that's taking a walk around your office or getting in the gym and lifting some easy to lift weights, to whatever you need to do to get started. I encourage you. So have a great day and have a great week. And yeah, that's all. Peace.